and things I could not understand. So many times in trials, my weakness blurs my vision, and my frustration gets so out of hand. It is then I am reminded that I've never been forsaken. And I've never had to say what is the Lord. Oh, when the weakness rises, sorry, and the weakness rises up in me, that is true, the triumph, my weakness is made strong. He never promised that the cross would not get heavy and the hills would not be hard to climb. He never offered a victory without trying. He said it would only come in time. So remember when you're standing in the valley of decision and the adversary stands giving. Just hold on. Our Lord will show up and He will take you through the fire again. Brethren, I notice that every time I sing or try to sing, the throat is not working with me. And that does not stop my praise. That does not stop my joy. Because I know that even if I can't sing with the voice, I can sing with the mind. And I don't want to take up a lot of time, but this song has also been with me, and I just want to share just the chorus as I go to my feet. I was